Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students, and welcome to all in Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. My name is Saima Ramzan, and today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 3. And its learning objectives are: by the end of this lesson, you will be able to divide 2 digit by 1 digit number and divide 3 digit by 1 digit number. Do you remember, my dear students, what is division? In your previous classes you have read about it, that what is division? Division is sharing into equal parts or groups. For example, you have 15 candies and 3 friends and you have to share your 15 candies with 3 friends. आपने 15 candies को 3 friends के साथ share करने हैं. Can you tell me how can you share? So you will divide 15 by 3. Okay, and you will get the answer 5. Yes, it means that you will share 15 candies among 3 friends and each friend will get 5 candies. Very good. Now come to the next. Yes, my dear students, do you remember how to divide 1 digit number by 1 digit number? Here I have written here question 9 divided by 4. You have to divide 9 by 4. You will tell me the quotient of this. Okay, I give you the 3 options. First option is here 2, second is 3 and third one is 4. Yes, very good. 2. When you will divide 9 by 4 and then you will multiply 4 by 2 and then you will get 8, which is nearest to 9 and less than 9. Yes, when you will subtract 9 by 8 then you will get, yes, 1 as remainder. Now can you tell me which one is dividend here? Yes, good. 9 is a dividend. And the divisor? Yes, good. 4. And the quotient will be good. 2 will be the quotient. What is remainder here? Yes, 1 is remainder. Very good. Let's start the topic of today. The topic of today is division. And its contents are dividing 2 digit by 1 digit number and dividing 3 digit by 1 digit number. So first of all we will discuss about dividing 2 digit by 1 digit number. So let's see the example. Example number 1 is here. We have to divide 74 by 5 and write its quotient and remainder. So now we are going to divide 74 by 5 as 74 is a dividend and 5 is a divisor. In 74, 4 is at 1's place and 7 is at 10's place. So there are some steps for solving this. In the first step, we have to compare the digits of dividend. First, we will compare the leftmost digit of dividend, which is 7 at 10's place. As 7 is greater than 5, so it means that 5 can divide 7 and there is going to be the division in second step. As 5 is a divisor here, so we will use the table of 5. 5 चूंकि ये divisor है, so इसलिए हम 5 का table use करेंगे. The table of 5, we will find the product which is less than or equal or nearest to the 7. As you can see here, 5 ones are 5. 5 is less than 7. 7 is not in the table of 5, so therefore we will take 5 which is less than 7. So in the third step we have to multiply 5 by 1. So we will write 1 above 7 and we will use third step. In third step we have to multiply 5 by 1. हम 5 को 1 से multiply करेंगे. Then we will get 5 ones are 5. We will write 5 under 7 in tens column. Then fourth step we have to subtract. हम 7 में से 5 को minus करेंगे. Then we will get 2 and write 2 in tens column. हम 2 को tens column में लिखेंगे. As 2 is less than 5, so 5 can't divide 2. So fifth step is here. We have to bring down the next digit, which is 4. And now write 4 in 1's column. As we can see here now, 24 is greater than 5, so it means that 5 can divide 24. 24 5 से greater है तो 5 24 को divide कर सकते हैं. So we will find the product in the table of 5 which is less than or equal to or nearest to the 24. As you can see here, 5 multiply 4, when we read the table, we will get 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. Here 20 is the product which is nearest to 24, as 24 is not in the table of 5, 24 5 के टेबल में नहीं है. So हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसके नियरेस्ट वैल्यू ले लेंगे, that is 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. So we will write 4 above 4 and 20 under, and then we will subtract, then 24 minus 20 is equal to 4, and 4 we will write here in ones column, as 4 is less than 5. So 5 can't divide 4, so there is no more digit to bring down. Okay, so therefore division is finished here. So 4 is remainder here and 14 is a quotient here. In this way you can follow all these steps to find the product of two digit number by one digit. So let's see the second example. Now we will discuss example number 2. In this example we have to divide 96 by 3. Here 96 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. In 96, 6 is at ones place and 9 is at tens place. We will use the same steps here. We will compare the leftmost digit, that is 9, which is at tens place, with the divisor 3, as 9 is greater than 3. So therefore 3 can divide 9. So 3 9 को divide कर सकते हैं, as 3 is a divisor. So we will use the table of 3 to find the product which is less than, equal or nearest to 9. So we will read the table of 3 and then we will get the product of 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. So we will read the table of 3 and we will get the product 9 by multiplying 3 by 3, and we will write 3 above 9 and product 9 under 9 in tens column, and then we will subtract 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, as 0 is less than 3, so 3 can't divide 0. So we will bring down next digit which is 6 at ones place. Then we will write here 6 in ones column, and as 6 is greater than 3, so 3 can divide 6. जैसा कि 6 3 से greater than है और 3 6 को divide कर सकते हैं. Now we will find the product which is equal to or less than nearest to the 6. अब हम product find out करते हैं in the table of 3 which is equal to or less than nearest to the 6. In the table of 3 you can see here 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6, which is equal to 6, and then we will write 2 above 6 in ones column, and then write product here 6 under 6 in ones column, and then we will subtract 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, right? As 0 is less than 3, so, and there is no more digit left, and this is completely divisible, it means that 96 is divided by 3 and we will get the quotient 32, and division is finished here, and hence 96 divided by 3 is equal to 32 is its answer. So I hope my dear students you have clear all the points that how to divide two digit number by one digit number. So I hope my dear students you have cleared all the points that how to divide two digit by one digit number. Now we will discuss about dividing three digit by one digit number. We will discuss this with the help of example. Example number 1 is here 798 divided by 7. Here 798 is a dividend and 7 is a divisor. In 798 it is at ones place and 9 is at tens place and 7 is at hundred place. We will use the same steps in this question. In the step number 1 we have to compare the first leftmost digit of dividend which is 7 at hundred place. We will compare this 7 with divisor 7. As you can see here 7 is equal to 7, and 7 it means that 7 can divide 7. As 7 is a divisor here, so we will use the table of 7. In the table of 7 we will find the product. हम 7 के table में product find out करेंगे which is less than or equal or nearest to the 7. As you can see here 7 multiplies 1 is equal to 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 is a product here, so we will write 1 above 7 and product write under 7 in 100 column, and then we will subtract 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. As 0 is less than 7, so it means that 7 can't divide 0, so we will bring down 9 in tens column. As 9 is greater than 7, so it means that 7 can divide of 7 again. In this table we have to find out the product which is less than or equal to or nearest to the 9. As you can see 7 ones are 7. Here 7 is the product which is nearest to the 9, and 9 is not in the table of 7. 9 7 के table में नहीं है. So therefore we will take the nearest value, that is 7, and we will write 1 above 9 in tens column. 7 under 9 in tens column, and then we will subtract 9 and 7 and we will get 2, and 2 we will write in tens column. And you can see here 2 is less than 7. It means that 7 can't divide 2. 2 7 से less than है और 7 2 को divide नहीं कर सकता. So we will bring down 8. And then the number becomes 28. And 28 is greater than 7. So we will find out the product which is equal to 28 or less than 28 or nearest to 28. As you can see here, 7 multiply 4 is equal to 28. So we will write here 4 above 8, 7 4s are 28, and we will write 28 under 28, and then we will subtract 28 from 28 and we will get 0. Okay, as you can see here, 0 is less than 7 and there is no more digit for bringing down. So it means that the division is finished here and the quotient is 114. So it means when we will divide 798 by 7 and we will get the quotient 114. So it means that when we will divide 798 by 7 we will get the answer 114. So let's see the second example. In second example we have to divide 643 by 2. Here 643 is a dividend, 2 is a divisor. In dividend 3 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place and 6 is at hundred place. First of all, in first step we have to compare the hundred place digit which is 6 with divisor. As 6 is greater than 2, so it means that 2 can divide 6 and 2 is a divisor here, so we will use the table of 2. And in the table of 2 we will find the product which is equal to or less than nearest to the 6. It means that when we will multiply 2 by 3 we will get 6, and 6 is the product which is equal to 6, and write 3 above 6 and product under 6 and write product in 100 column, and then we will subtract 0. As 0 is less than 2, 2 can't divide 0, so therefore we will bring down 4 in tens place, and then you can see here 4 is greater than 2. As 4 is greater than 2, so it means that 2 can divide 4, and we will table of 2, and then we will get 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4 which is equal to 4, and then we will write 2 above 4 in tens column, and then write product 4 under 4 and in tens column, and then you will subtract 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 which is less than 2, so we will bring down 3. 3 is greater than 2, so it means that 2 can divide 3, and we will find the product. In the table of 2 you can see here 2 ones are 2 which is nearest to 3. Then write 1 above 3 and product under 3 in ones column, and then subtract 3 and 2, and then we will get 1 as remainder. As there is no more digit for bringing down and 1 is also less than 2, so therefore 2 can't divide 1, so division is finished here. So my dear students, here 321 is a quotient and 1 is a remainder. I hope my dear students you have cleared all the points that how to divide 2 and 3 digit by 1 digit number. Now there is assessment for you. In this assessment you have to choose the correct answer. And the first question is here, the quotient of 14 divided by 7 is dash. You have to divide 14 by 7. आप 14 को 7 से divide करेंगे and then you will find out the quotient. And there is A option here 2 and B is 8 and C is 6. Can you tell me the quotient of this? Yes, very good, 2. Now come to the next. Second question is here, if we divide 30 by 8, अगर हम 30 को 8 से divide करें then remainder will be, तो remainder क्या होगा? A option is here 5, B is 0 and C is 6. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, what will be the remainder? Very good, 6. My third question is here, you have to divide 18 by 1. 18 divided by 1 is dash. जब आप 18 को 1 से divide करते हैं then what answer will be here? Yes, very good, 18. 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18. Very good my dear students. So there is a homework for you. You have to do practice of exercise 2E and you have to do these questions. The question is divide and you have to divide 676 by 6 and 79 by 9. You have to do these questions on your notebook. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.